In the 1980s, Nantai, an era when industrial dreams began. Minkan Carton Machinery Factory was established, but I had a bolder idea. Every qualitative leap lies in accurate company orientation. I've been growing up together with Nantai for 37 years. As time flies, I wish to make unforgettable impacts in our industry, rather than only be a part of people's memories. To persistently explore innovations in the industry or to pursue highest quality, the boundary is already blurred. Our generation is the most insignificant and the greatest at the same time. Attitude, principle, and faith bring us together. This is Vice President Susan Fung, an intimate colleague fighting side by side with me. Both of us firmly strive for the high-end internationalized development of the enterprise. She says, Nantai's enterprise management mechanism is to free people. The mechanism should be both rigorous and human-oriented. Excellent staff can gather good suggestions to Nantai. The progress they make is taken as a step forward for Nantai. We have changed Nantai from a carton workshop into a technology-based enterprise manufacturing packaging machinery. Such transformation lies in our core technology and our full dedication. Being responsible is put at the first place in daily work. This is what Factory Manager Tan told me, who used to be a first-line worker when he joined Nantai. From processing workshop, printer assembly workshop, and die cutter assembly workshop, to production planning department. From a first-line worker to a member of the management team, and to a factory manager today, he has already grown from a talent cultivated by Nantai to the one that cultivates new talents for Nantai. Virtuous staff in Nantai grow together with the enterprise. We have been considering how to better serve our customers. In the view of Vice General Manager Yers, it is crucial to change our working pattern from passivity to proactivity. When satisfying customers' requirements, we unremittingly strengthen user trainings. Every detail is completely and thoroughly explained to customers. Every technical upgrade, customers are offered thoughtful guidance. Let customers be able to grow together with us. Our products have always won praises from customers and peers in the market, having acquired standard certificates in developed countries in Europe, America, and other countries. We are enhancing deeper internationalized cooperation in a wider range of area. Take our partnership with Asahi, for instance, who is globally acknowledged enterprise with a history of over a century. The close cooperation that has been lasting over a decade attributes to our untiring pursuit for technology and quality. The world has never been lack of products, but the spirit of pursuing highest quality. Precision is our everlasting persistence, serious selection of materials, technical control, rigorous technique standards, and accurate assembling have given the essence of sincerity to Nantai's products, guiding the direction for the packaging machinery industry. Having core techniques and technologies is not enough. Nantai attaches more importance to personalization according to users' requirements. Therefore, we must absorb foreign advanced technologies and make them suitable for domestic plants. Meanwhile, we wish to help promote the processing level of our industrial chain. We are willing to be an unknown hero. Aspiration comes from dreams. In the past, we relied heavily on importing machine components, but now we have been able to independently produce high-grade components. This significant technological breakthrough, from dependence to independence, does not only belong to Nantai, but also serves as a contribution to the Chinese packaging machinery industry. In the era of reforms, everyone has a different choice. My choice is to embrace my original aspiration. Dream big and put it into practice. It's a story about persistence, courage, and dreams. This story about Nantai doesn't end here. Now, Nantai stands proudly at the top, announcing to the world, here we are.